Alarm explodes in my head. It tells me rest has gone. Get up. From slumber I fall into the unexpected hell of the day's expectations. Window beckons for me to peer. Espy a day born from icy claws of Winterfell. Cold, icicle-like grip enfolds me, and any goodness I had before rise elapses. When ready, depart home's threshold, despair, and then the gods of daybreak hear my heartfelt play. Deities send blackbird song older than time. Icy shackles are broken. Internal feud in my head at that exotic moment disappears. Blackbird has spoken. All is well. If it were not, why would this song be heard?